Let's look at fundamental disciplines. In business, the lack of discipline frequently leads to failure. Most successful managers can see that there are two businesses within every business. The first is managing the business, profession, or trade, as well as marketing, selling, and developing the products or services. Now, the second business is administering budgets, personnel selection, control and development, maintaining cash flow, monitoring return on investment and return on assets deployed, goal setting, forecasting, tax and estate planning, and more. When businesses fail, the owners often had part one working well, yet never quite had a handle on part two. Having knowledge of a trade or profession is not the same as running a business. The skilled auto mechanic who wants to open up his own auto repair service shop may not be qualified to do so. The talented lawyer in a prestigious law firm who sets off on his own may not have the discipline or drive necessary to be successful, though his capability as a lawyer is excellent. The business of running a business requires much more than being skilled at providing a service. It involves meeting a payroll, being able to make a wise purchase decision, maintaining positive cash flow, certainly ensuring profitability, making hiring and firing decisions, and a host of other responsibilities. An old friend and a client of our company, Norman Kalian, the now retired president of Appleby Window Systems, was once asked the greatest weakness he had to overcome in building his multi-divisional business. He said, "Discipline in business often requires going back to basics, learning from your errors, and making decisions logically instead of emotionally." Did you ever feel that you had to walk the balance beam between separate worlds, that your decisions were being influenced by two different cultures or disciplines, thus making goals and maintaining discipline complicated? Here is a partial list of helpful ideas that we give to clients with established businesses. Most of these apply to small businesses. Many apply to managers in companies of any size. The key element is whether the manager or CEO will exercise the discipline necessary to see that these ideas are fulfilled. Create a sales plan, including monthly quotas each year, and then review it weekly. Stay in touch with your customers. Remember to follow do not call rules. Use a simple 2 or 3 question customer satisfaction survey. Use telephone follow-up if you service or sell to them at their home or place of business. Ask for and get updating in all cases for address, phone, and email. Send something regularly through those means to let the customer know you care. Do not permit negativity at any level. When and if you hear it, remind the person using negative phrases that optimism is a part of their job description. Put it in your job description. Require every salesperson during early training programs to listen to upbeat messages with optimistic outlooks. You can find many on the internet. You can always start with going to YouTube, then searching Dave Yoho Associates. Of the many posted, watch 2 of these 4-minute examples: buying a car and the power of affirmation. Remind yourself that discipline is a daily requirement. To maintain high levels, you need to reaffirm your desire to maintain your discipline, sometimes daily. Create standard discipline appraisal formats. for all employees and associates. Grade them in 10 to 12 categories on a scale of 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. And then review these quarterly and don't miss.